Hello guys, you are welcome to this channel. In this video, I'll be reviewing InboxPays. In fact, a friend told me about this website and I decided to take a look at it. And I think it's worth making a review on it to my subscribers and viewers. So what is InboxPays all about? You'll be paid to read emails, refer friends, and you will be paid $5 for joining. It's a very simple website and people are actually making good money from it. Today is Tuesday, and if you look here, you can see that people have already cashed out some money. So that is InboxPays for you. Let's get to the members area. So we are in the members area now, and as you can see, there are good opportunities for one to make money. You see, this offer is paying at least 45 cents. This is paying $1, and this is a survey. You see, so you can make money. This is top cashback. This is a cashback program, so definitely you have to install the app and then connect it with your account or debit card, credit card. Make purchases through it, and then you get some cashback up to $10. That is good. We also have this offer that is paying $30, my home cash club. I think it's a good place to make money. This make money from home offer. So I can read. Yeah, this is also to encourage children to read. You can buy books, etc. And then you just sign up, subscribe, and you are earning $4.75. So let's look at some of these. This is a coupon. Okay, I think my website, my internet connectivity is a bit slow. So let's look at this. So $151.81 is available to be saved. So these are coupons, free printable coupons, savings that one can make. So you make a purchase from here and you can saving good amount of money. These are actually cashback offers. So you get $5 back. Purchase, you get $5 back. Here you are getting $4.5 back. So you purchase but you make money as well. I think this is a good place. They also have referral. Let's check the bonus offers, see what is there. Okay, so these are surveys. These are surveys. We have premium survey, Panda Research. This is a survey. Double My Payday is also a survey. Opinion City. These are survey sites. All these are survey sites. National Credit Report. Okay, this credit repair site. Let's look at jobs. What is in jobs? So let's look at what is under online offers. So here we have, this is a credit score, credit repair company. Panda Research, Life Points. Wow, I like this company. This company actually is in so many countries, including North America, I think some parts of South America, Europe, and Asia. It's a very reputable company. They pay very well. Money tips. I'll be making a video on this website with time. It's one of the websites that is doing very well. So that is that about InboxPays, guys. And you can also refer your friends and family and earn some good money. So you see, just share. Encourage your friends and family to start earning on InboxPays. Start earning 10% of your referrals. So that is good. So once you refer someone, the person's earning, you'll be paid 10% of that. Not that they are going to pay part of that person's money to you, but whatever amount the person earns, you earn 10% as well. Once your friends and or family request payment, 10% of the offer earnings will be credited to your account. For example, if I refer my mom to join InboxPays and she's completed $30 of offer and $20 of cash meal, I will receive extra $3 into my account. The limits are endless. So start inviting. So guys, that is actually it. Now let's check here. They have a sample email. You can just enter the email address of your friends and push it to them. So you get your referral link where you can send to your friends and family. Share it on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, WhatsApp, etc. and then you can make some money. So that is it, guys. So just go ahead and invite your friends. So like in this case, Mike, for me, this will be my referral link. I can just copy it and share it to my friends and family, and once they join, make some money, I will equally make some money. So guys, that is it. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, share it with your friends and family, and also leave your comments below. I read each and every single comment and I reply them. So please, once again, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'm very grateful. I'm out for now. Thank you.